Hey everyone, and thank you for joining again. In this video I will show you how you can make this beautiful pattern here, which is a double crochet variation. As usual, we start with a slip knot and then we chain in a multiple of 3. Afterwards, we start in the second chain from the hook, this one here, and then go back all the way with single crochet. At the end of the row, we chain 3 for the turn. This is seen as a double crochet. And now our pattern starts. We start like a normal double crochet. Now, instead of closing the double crochet, you yarn over again, draw another loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 again, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the first, 5 loops on your hook in total, yarn over, pull through all of them, and chain to close. Now we will do that again, yarn over. Now you poke in the same loop like the last loop that we draw. Start like a normal double crochet. Draw another loop. Pull through the first 2 again. Yarn over again. Draw another loop. Yarn over, pull through the first. 5 loops on your hook in total. Pull through all of them. Chain to close. And again, yarn over. Poke in the same loop like the last loop that we draw. Yarn over, pull through the next. Yarn over, pull through the next stitch, yarn over, pull through the first loop on your hook, yarn over, pull through all the loops on your hook, and chain to close. This is how the first pattern row looks like. And we end the row. As you can see, I didn't make a chain here, but we will now make a double crochet in the last stitch where we also made the last pull through. Then chain 1. And this row is not a pattern row, but we just go back with single crochet. At the end of the row, make sure to not forget the last stitch here, then chain 3, turn around, and you're in a pattern row again. And this is how you make this beautiful double crochet variation. I hope you liked the tutorial. If yes, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.